Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay. So let us start the discussion. I hope in the previous class, why is it not clear?
Better. Okay, is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear now? Okay. Better or perfect up? Is it better or perfect now? Okay. Now let's continue the discussion. Previously, what data type we started with? Come on. Right. Sequence data types. Under sequence category, we had the purpose of category data type is that to store a sequence of values in single object. In Python programming, we have 4 types. What they are? str, bytes, byte array, range, right? You stand up once, you're talking in the phone, cell. Don't tell lies. I am seeing from there. You watch your mobile, you call, you received or call made. The time is at 6 o'clock, 3 minutes or 6 o'clock, 4 minutes. You spoken in the class or not? Then you are saying, no, sir, I did not speak. With the timing, I will tell you. I was observing there now. If you are want to speak, speak outside. Don't speak inside. Okay, now. How many data types? How many data types? Huh? Tell me. What are the 14 one by one? Come in. 14 data types. Tell me one by one. Huh? 6 or 4 or no? Academic answers no. How many? 14. Tell me 14 one by one. Then, without telling answers, you are speaking in phone. Huh? And moreover, you are telling I did not speak in phone. For everything, lies, wrong. I'm observing you only. 14 data types. Don't know? Shall I ask everybody? How many data types? Tell me one by one. Int, float, bool, complex, str, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, Trojan set. You're only one, not saying anything. Talking in phone. What is the use? By the time if your parents will see, take the luggage and jump. Sit down. Come to the point. So str data type. So next time, if you speak in phone, that is the last day. I will not allow to my class. If you want to speak, speak outside. 6 o'clock, 9 minutes, come to the class. I'm not saying speak, but in my class, no. Outside you speak. Time is there now. Speak outside. Come inside. Okay. With my eyes, I don't want to see something wrong in my class. Okay now? Right. All of you received chocolates. Not my birthday. It's not my. Naresh IT anniversary today. 21 years, 2003 it is established in. Today the Naresh IT Institute anniversary today. That's why they gave chocolates. And online students will ask now, sir, where is the chocolate for us? That is what I'm saying. Divyans. So, my dear students, online students, and you are missing about it. And there is no even emoji chocolate symbol is not available with me. So, students, now I'll start continuing it. Now I'll move to the further. Okay now? So everybody received? You did not receive? Yeah. How come they missed it? Just I will call them. ఇక్కడ కొంతమందికి ఇవ్వలేదు చాక్లెట్స్, ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురికి ఇవ్వలే. No, everybody has to get chocolate. Even if I am there in the class, if nobody giving chocolate, I will ask, give me chocolate. Nothing wrong in that. Boys, everybody got it up? No? You just that side, boys. ఈ అమ్మాయిలకి ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ అడుగు, వాళ్ళను అడిగి ఇచ్చేయాలి. వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అడగరు కదా పాపం. ఇక్కడ అమ్మాయికి ఓకే రిసీవ్. ఎనీబడి ఎల్స్? బాయ్స్? నో, ఐ హావ్ ఆల్రెడీ. Okay. For my dear students, online students, and don't feel that because you are so far online. Actually, I'm searching for online chocolate, but it is not there. And whoever is coming for offline, they are giving it. Online students, no, and you are not here. That's why. Hmm? Okay. Okay, students. Now I will continue. Now I'll continue my session. Students, so chocolate taste is only there for 1 hour, for example, or half an hour. But Python chocolate is the ultimate chocolate. That is their lifelong chocolate means it is always good. So we are giving such a permanent chocolate where you need to read daily. Something happened there. So now I'll start with, right. Okay, Rahul. So Rahul, no need of chocolates, or just need placement. 100% you will get it. No doubt in that. Read my notes well. 100% you will get it. Hmm? Ganesh Singh, on what occasion they are giving chocolates, sir? Naresh IT anniversary today. So 21 years 21 years back, this Naresh IT started. So they are giving. Okay. Anyhow, let me start. Continue the subject. STR. Do you know STR concepts? What is STR? You know, definition of STR, you know, notations of STR. How many notations? 4. What are how many? 4. What are those? Double quotes, single quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quotes. How many types of STRs? 2 types. Number 1, single line string data, multi-line string data. Right. Memory management, you know, how many indexes values are there? 2. One is positive indexing, negative indexing. Positive indexing and negative indexing. This is what I uploaded already. Might be you have written in the notes also. Written in the notes. Open it. Open the notes. What the notes you have written, you open it and keep the diagram in front of you, because I am going to explain the further things. Now, coming to the further. Now I'm going to say, now I'm going to enter into the further. So, coming to the further, because I know it with a concatenation of string, but not with multiple string. Is it possible to do it? What is this? What is your doubt, my dear student? So did I explain concatenation and all those things? Please try to involve with the subject. I know it. I know it with a concatenation of string, but not with multiple lines of string. Is it possible to do it? Is thinking. Sir, if we want to invoke the variable in multi-line string, how to do it, please? I will cover in the class, my dear student. You need not to tell to me. I will cover in the class. Okay, now? You need not to tell me. You just follow me, that's all. Okay? You just follow me. I'll tell you beyond your scope of, it is almost IIT level of class I am taking. You need not to direct it. We will tell everything in the class. And according to your need and requirement, we don't cover the class. If you are interested, you attend. Otherwise, shift to the other batch. I'll tell everything in the class. You try to habituate to listen the class. We have certain action plan. We are covering everything. Mr. Vikas, I hope you are following me. Now I'm entering into the further. Okay. Now STR memory management already done. Now I'm entering into further discussion. What is it? Operations on STR data. Now I'm entering into operations on STR data. Try to follow. So here, operations on STR data I'm going to cover. So here, now I'm going to take about entering into the further. Here I'm going to enter. Dhanush, sir, yesterday I was absent. Can you tell memory management? Once one class is over, it is highly impossible to repeat the same class. Okay, that is what I want to bring it. Come to the point. Operations on which data? STR data. And regarding this doubt, concatenation, what is this doubt? Is asking without any knowledge. This I am explaining. So beautiful explanation in my further classes. Because I said already yesterday only, STR part 1, STR part 1, STR part 2. Did you remember, students? STR part 2. And you will become a master. Even IIT student also is not going to come to know this. That much of string I'm going to explain just to utilize my sessions. That's all. So come in. So let us move to the further operations on STR data. So let us start with the subject. Here I am entering about it. So Dhanush, if you are absent, that absent, it will be like this only because we are not going to repeat the same thing again in the class. Okay. Now on STR data, we can perform two types of operations. At present, I am talking. In further, I'm telling so many number of operations because I'm going to explain the subject in such a way that where you can understand very well. Okay. So like academics, I'm not jumping this topic, that topic. I'm not going to move my legs on 22 boards. 22 boards, 2 legs kept, what will happen? Legs will break, hands will break, everything will break. So we have some certain style is there that you need to follow if you are interested. We can perform two types of operations. They are number one, I'm going to talk indexing. Number two is called what? Slicing operations. Indexing operation and one more is called what? Slicing operation. Carefully try to follow. Very, very important. And here I'm going to talk about what do you mean by indexing operation? What do you mean by slicing operation? I want to go for clearly. So here at the same time, indexing and slicing. Let me speak about the indexing operation first. Then I will go for slicing operation. So let me enter into the indexing. What do you mean by indexing? Take a textbook example. Textbook before going to the chapters, what is given in the beginning? Index. Why they are giving index? For easy locating the topics, correct? Easy location of the topics. For easy location of the topics. That's why we'll go for what? Index. Suppose I want to go to 20th chapter. 20th chapter page number will be there. Directly I will go to the page number. Like that. So indexing also, here if you look at the diagram, what is the index of T, my dear student? 2. What is the index of N? 5. Index of N can be either 5 or index of N can be -1. Did you understand how to understand this indexing, students? And did you understand this indexing mechanism also? What is this indexing mechanism? Negative indexing. What is this indexing called? Positive indexing. Good. Positive indexing starts from where? 0 to n minus 1. I'll tell you that. Positive indexing starts from left to right. You have to tell left to right. Starts from which value? 0 to n minus 1. What is that n? Number of characters. Python, 6 are there. In Python, 6 are there. What is the last value? N minus 1. What is the n minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 6 minus 1 is called 5. Python programming. Python 6 letters, PROC 4 letters. That is called 10 letters. One space is also there. 11. Total 11. Starts from where? 10. Last one is what? 10. 0 to 10, how many? 11. Understood that? Like that. I'll go for that. So this one. And the negative indexing starts from where? Minus 6 to minus 1. You know how to assign that. Understand? Well, now I'm going to give you students. If I want to access the letter called P, I need to pass the index either 0 or what? Minus 6. So indexing means I'm writing the process of, I'm writing the definition, the process of obtaining one value or one character from given str object by passing index value is called what? Indexing. The process of obtaining one value or character from given str object by passing index value is called indexing. That is the definition. People will ask what is the definition of indexing. Very, very important. Today's class is very important, students. Those who are absent today, they will struggle a lot. Because we are getting from today this concept, it is coming into total Python. In data science, in everywhere else it will come. Syntax, I'm going to start. Syntax, what is the syntax here? strobj square bracket, open square bracket, close. I am writing there index. Index, I am writing index. Then here, I am writing description. Here strobj is an object of class called what? str. Are you able to follow? Next, here index can be either positive or what? Negative. Index can be either negative or positive, because you know str object allows us to represent two types of indexes, positives and then negatives. Index can be either positive or negative. Here I am mentioning what is that? If the value of index, if we enter valid index, then we get corresponding value or character of that index. Are you following? If I pass an index value called 2, corresponding value or character will come. What is the corresponding value or character? T. If I pass minus 5, I will get what? Y. Corresponding value will come. Next, very, very important. If we enter invalid index, already, if we enter wrong variable name, what is an error? Already I said name error. Wrong variable name. What is that? Name error. If we enter syntax wrong, syntax error. If we enter wrong attribute error. Already said. If we enter wrong index, invalid index, then we get, come on, index error. If we enter invalid index, then we get what? Index error. Compulsory question. When do you get index error? It is going to be what? Index error. Revant Kumar, you are from Java. Background. Index out of bounds error. That is wrong answer. In Java also wrong answer that is. That is the array index out of bounds exception in Java. Revant Kumar, while you are listening Python, don't remember Java related knowledge. If you say Java related, I will need to enter into Java. So It is index out of bounds is wrong answer. Array index out of bounds exception is the exception in the Python. In Python, Java that is. So it is called what? Index error. While you are learning Python, learn Python only. When you remember Java, you are a Java sick student. Java sick. After 10th class, if you join in hostel, you will get homesick, na homesick. Like that. Java sick. So don't get like that. Involve fully in the Python programming. Did you understand this? Let us go to the examples. Now I am covering the examples here. Carefully try to answer. Now I'll go to the example. All of you open your notes. Keep the diagram in front of you. Keep the diagram in front of you. Online students, open your notes. Keep the diagram in front of you. Everybody, keep your diagram in front of you. Now let me go to the Python environment. Python environment I'm going to take. Let me cover one important point here. One important point I want to cover. Yesterday's class, ADDR1, one important point I am showing. What is that I said? Triple double quotes. I said Guido van Rossum. Of course, not necessary. You already understood. HNO 2 dash 3 dash, something like HNO colon 2 dash 3 dash. Something I wrote like this, hillside. And something like this, I said Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation. I said foundation. Something like this, I said triple quotes ending. So how many lines I wrote? If you want, you can write one more line. What is this now? Netherlands. It is called what, 13. And the next is called what, Python I am writing. Python programming I am writing. And one student asked yesterday, I written 4 lines. One student, sir, only 4 lines need to write out. More than 4 lines not possible. If you get that type of doubts, now I will get tension first of all, whether your basics are proper or not. Don't get that. You can write hundreds of lines. When I write within the triple quotes or triple double quotes or triple single quotes, now see carefully. Print of what? ADDR1 comma type of ADDR1, which is going to be like this. Are you able to follow? Now students, carefully try to follow. These kind of things, this is what I wrote it. Print statement I used it. Actually, this is the notation for you to write multi-line string data. So whether you will write it in triple double quotes or you will write it in where, this is called a triple double quote. Important point. Whether you write it in where, triple single quotes you have written. Whether you write like this or you wrote like that, do you know what is happening? When it is stored inside of that memory, PVM will store everything into single quotes only. For what? For minimizing the memory. To represent this 6 times the single quotes, 6 times the single quotes, or 3 times double quotes, it takes a lot of memory internally. That's why, irrespective of the quotes you are writing, internally it is represented in the form of what? Single quotes. For efficient memory management purpose, they went like that. How can you know that, sir? I just wrote in print of, I said. Just you write like this, ADDR1 you write it. Without print, it will print the raw data, raw, RAW. Do you know raw data? Raw means originally what is present in the memory, it will print. Are you following that? Raw data. So see that it is printed, single quotes printed, single quotes available. And in middle of it, row sum, it is having what there? \n now. \n stands for what? A new line. After that, \n is printed. After HNO, this entire thing, what is available again? \n. This is again called what here? \n. So in C language, there are 13 characters are specially available for representing this type of thing. Escape sequence characters are something we can call \t, \n, \b, \x. But your source said only these two, \n and \t. Others they won't explain. Why? Why they don't explain? You know the reason for it. Because they don't know, they don't explain you. That's the main reason. In our class, we come across so many. I will tell you all of them. Are you able to follow all these things, \n and all? And how you represented triple quotes, but how it is taken internally? You say one more, you say one more, I say double quotes, I said Python, I said Python. Even though I wrote like that, it is printed internally in the form of what? Single quotes. Are you getting? Why this is single quotes taken? For efficient memory management purpose, they represented like that. Are you understanding the meaning of this raw data, meaning original data in the memory? It is printed like that. Followed or not? Yes. Now I'm going to enter into the further examples. I'm going to take it. Our example, S is equal to Python. All of you open the notes. Print of what? Yes. And type of yes. What is my indexing concept I completed now? The process of obtaining one value or what? One character from the given str object by using index value is called what? Indexing. So I will write it here, students. S of my str obj of what I'm passing 0. I said the syntax. Str obj of I said what? Index. Square bracket you need to follow. This will give you corresponding indexed value. What is the index of 0? P will come. P. What is the value printed? P will print. So the value printed is called P. Are you able to follow? The P. What is this P is called? Indexed value of this 0. S of what now? 1. What is the value? See the diagram and answer my question. Why? Next I am going to say 5. I am writing 5. Answer. Online students respond. When I am saying now respond. N. N is printed. Now I am saying 4. What is the answer? Oh. Now I am writing 2. What is the answer? Come on. T. Now I am writing S of 3. What is the answer? H. Able to follow? These are all called positives I entered, positive indexes. Similarly, look at the diagram and answer. S of minus 6. Very good. P. S of minus 1. Good. C. What is the 1? What is the minus 6? Even don't get confused. Students, you don't get confused. This is 0 to what? 5. Some other people are trying to assign minus 2 like this, they are assigning. That is completely wrong, students. You have to start from this place. Understand? Take care. But practically you are seeing that this one, minus 1 is called N. S of minus 2. Oh, S of minus 5. Good. S of minus 3. Good. S of 4. Minus 4. Come on. Good. So minus 4 is called like this. Are you able to follow? Yes. Can I ask one complicated question? Will you answer it? Okay. S of true. S of true. Come on. Beautiful. What is the value of true? 1. What is there in 1 index? Y is there. Diagram important. Because I am not opening the diagram. Diagram is there with you already. The value is called what? Y. S of minus 1, I will write it. What is an answer? Come on. Beautiful. These are all called what? Simplest part of it. Simplest part of it. Now I am writing S of what? I am writing false. I am writing false. Come on. P. Good. Are you following? Right. S of minus false. Error is error. Anybody says error, they are error. Index error. Do you have minus 0? Do you have minus 0? Minus 0 is nothing but 0 only. Minus 0 is also called 0. So this is called what? P only. Minus 0 error, index error, syntax error, these are all no. Are you able to follow? Now I am asking S of 10. S of 10. Index error. Because there is no 10th index. So answer is what? Index error. Read out. Index error. String index out of range. Out of range. S of minus 10. In negative side also there is no such minus 10. What is this is called? Index error. Clear or not clear? Clear. Are you following me? Yes. Now I am going to ask you S of 0B 1010, 0B 0B 1010 minus something like minus 9. What is 0B 1010? 10. 10 minus 9. S of 1. Why? You are learning concept. You are going like anything in the concept part. This is called improving your talent in thinking. If you get much thinking, now you can easily do the applications. Are you following? Don't learn subject. Apply the subject to the application format. That is what is your talent to improve. Are you able to follow? Last and final. S of 0x1. 0x1. Hexadecimal 1 మొదబబులు 1. So 1. So why are you thinking like that? 0x in hexadecimal 1. 1 is nothing but 1 only. Why are you thinking so deeply, students? Why are you thinking like that? S of I am writing minus of 0xf 0xf minus 14. What is 0xf? 15. 15 minus 14. 1 minus answer n. Somebody is saying y. Y means why or y means I don't know. I am clearly explaining. If they ask that this type of questions, will you answer it? Will you answer it? Will you answer it like that? You cannot answer. Then you answer it. You are saying no, sir, like that. Oh, so you do. This is called tricky. Suppose if I am setting the question paper, I will set like this. I will set like this only. I don't ask normal questions. I will ask my standard questions. Because everybody taking in company will collapse. Company need intelligent people only. How you get intelligent? Need to read the notes. Correct or not? That's why students, be careful. This part, I'll keep it in the index part. Everybody need to practice my examples. So go to the place. Here I will write the index. So see students, after going to home, take this now and next. I'm asking one tricky question. Everybody need to wait for that. Need to answer my questions. Immediately, once one concept is completed, you need to have some questionnaire also, so that you can just confirm that it will be completed. So this is a normal style. You understood. Now I'll adjust it. This is for the sake of the notes to write well. So I'll take it. During my adjustment, you need to check by yourself, confirm by yourself, and now I'll enter into the subject. Tricky question I will ask next. Very tricky question I will ask. So definitely you will not answer, but intelligent students will be there. I'll see that whether they will answer or not. S of false, little tricky. S of minus false, minus 0 will not be there. And S of 10 out of the index, it is going to give you what? Index error. S of minus 10, index error again, index error. S of this binary with a decimal number system subtraction, this is called hexa. This is called like this. Now I'm writing. Are you following me? Right. Can I ask one question? Will answer. Okay, good. Confidence is good. Now see, I'll ask like this. See students, I'm writing. Okay, one small thing I want to cover. Python space what? PROC. PROC. As I said you in the last session only, I said already PYTHON. This is my data. This is my data. This is a space also will be there. What is this now? PROG. PROG. Are you following me? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 0 to 10 means how many? 11. 11 means you need to start from minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay now? Well, now I'll write S of 6. What is the answer? Come on, space. Space means it will be shown like that. Understand? S of minus 5 answer is what? Same, space only. Now I am saying that print of S as usual. S of what? 6. 6 space. S of what? Minus 5. Also what? Space. Understood? S of minus 1. What is an answer? D. S of minus 11. What is an answer? P. S of 0. P. Able to get it? Simple. Now my question is very, very simple. JAVA of 2. JAVA of 2. JAVA of 2. Once we speak out, that is the final answer. V is an answer. If this is called a shortcut question they are asking, if this is given, there is no hurry at all because it's not buzzer round. When you press the buzzer first, no gift is given for you. Correct answer, carry the mark. Try to say, take out your diagram, and there is no hurry at all. They are asking 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this now? Java is a string. This is my diagram here. What is this now? 2 they are asking. What is the value printed? V. Why tension? You need to answer carefully. No? 2. V is coming or not? Now I am saying next. Now I am saying minus 1. What is the answer? Come on. A. Now I am going to write it minus something like minus 4. What is the answer? J. So simple. Are you following me? Now I am asking here HYDE or ABAD, ABAD of 001, 001, 001. What is that 0? Octal. 1. 1 means 1 only. What is the answer? Why? Okay. Very danger question I am asking now. Now 0B, 0B1. Come on. Why? Nice. 0x1. Come on. Okay. Right? Now my question will come. Now my question will come. 0, 1. Come on. Why? Which data this is? Decimal. This is called a wrong answer. What you said is called a wrong answer. This is what people are saying. They are thinking that it is a decimal. 0x data is called XOR. 0B data is called binary. 0O data is called octal. Just without any B or O or X are called what? Decimal they will think, but it is wrong answer. Any decimal number system data is there. Leading zeros will not be there. Leading zeros will not be there. So see that you will get what is that? Syntax error. Generally, student will ask what? Immediately they will go for Y is an answer, but a wrong answer that is. See that? Syntax error. Read out. Leading zeros in decimal integer literals are not permitted. Use 0O prefix for what? Octal. They are saying example. 0O, 0x, 0b permitted. 0 without x, b, o is called invalid. This is the most important. This is a recent question is asked as what? PayPal of what? Of 0 to they are asking. 0 to they are asking. What is the first answer they are giving? Y. Second answer they are giving what? A. And C is giving what? Syntax error. And D they are giving index error. Index error. Lot of people will select what? Y. Everybody will select Y. Some more people who don't have any knowledge is what? 1, 2, like that. They will select this answer. And a layman's. And nobody will select 0, 2 is called what? It is not. They will go for this answer. Nobody will go for syntax error. This is the correct answer. And see that answer now. This is called what? Very, very important point to remember. Did you understand, students? Right. So then, sir, go to the place. Online students, I hope you are comfortable with this. I am taking directly string data, asking like this. So carefully try to monitor and try to practice immediately after going to home. So here, got it. Here 0x, error, and 0O is a big error, So I'm writing, here I will write it. See this, remove. And this also, same error is coming. Remove this and take up that. Here I will remove this error. I hope you are following. Are you able to follow, students? Then how do you sort it out, sir? To sort it out, students, very easy. So I will go for it. In this case, I'll just remove this 0 and see that it is called y. Are you able to follow now? This is the answer. So this is the answer you need to take care. So here I'll mention it. In this case, this is an output. So will you answer any time like this if they are asking? Fine. This is about which concept? Indexing. Indexing concept it is. Now I'm entering into what? Slicing. Shall I go for slicing? Right. Indexing will give you what? One value at a time. 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 That is called what concept? Indexing. Now I'm entering into what? Slicing. Slicing I'm going to take. In a textbook, I want to read one chapter. One chapter index is 1 page or more than 1 page? More than 1 page. More than 1 page means what? 10 pages maybe, 15 pages maybe, 3 pages maybe. I want to get more than one value. More than one value means I want to get it what? Like this. Observe it. All the excitement students need to listen carefully. In my class, listen carefully. Everything you will get, my dear students. Don't excite and keep 100%. 100% concentration. Everything you will get it. I will teach beyond your scope of intelligence and don't excite by yourself. Right? So take care and beyond your intelligence, I will teach and keep your concentration and you will get it. Okay, now all the excitement students I am saying. Look at PYT, I want to get it. PYT, I want to get it. PYT. From where to where I am getting? 0 to 3. 0 to 2. That is 3 characters I am getting. Next, I want to get it what? HON, I want to get it. Is it not more than one character I am getting? Next, I want to get it what? YTHO, I want to get it. Y2HO. I want to get it what? THON, I want to get it. THON, I want to get it. I want to get it ON. These are all called what? Forward direction. Forward direction, I am getting it. With what? One step incrementing at a time. That is one level of examples. By seeing my examples, marvelous. That only will come in exam. That only will come as it is. Of course, don't feel that, sorry, saying with a proud of voice. 100%. Because it is coming, I am telling in the class. Next up, another one. I want to print PTO. PTO. What is that? Two letters. Two letters. Which direction? Forward direction. I want to get it what? YHO. What is that? Two letters. Which direction? Forward direction. That is also called what? More than one letter. Slicing. Now I want to get it. I want to get it. PH. PH I want to get it. Three letters. Forward direction. Simple. When you are coming to my class, how you are getting on the step? One step at a one leg on other leg. One leg on other leg. What is your step? +1. +1. Your leg is +1. Correct or not? So time is running out. Time is less. Sir will not allow when you come late. How you come to the steps? Two steps you will come. What is your stepping? +2. +2. When the class is over, friend is waiting outside. Today Saturday, waiting outside. How do you go? +3, +4 also sometimes. Jumping outside. Legs, hands broken. Friend is not there, nothing is there. So don't tell these examples in interview. Just one awareness example I am saying. Are you able to follow? This is which direction? Next, see, marvelous example. Nowhere else you will find. I want to get it. NOH, NOH. Which direction? Which order? Backward, backward, backward. I want to get OHT. I want to get OHT. Which direction? I want to get TYP. Which direction? With which step? -1, -1, 5 - 1, 4 - 1, 4 - 1, 3 - 1, like that. -1 to this one, -1, -1, -2, -2, -1, -3. Going to where? Backward direction. So how to get the slicing character in backward direction? Next, another examples I'm going to tell you. NHY, slicing with 2 letters in backward direction. Are you getting? That also I want to explain. I want to get it what? OTP, OTP, which direction? PTO, which direction? With what step? +2. OTP, backward direction. With which step? That's all. This you will not find even in Java also, because Java is also there. They won't explain. In Python, nowhere else you'll find except in my class. That's why don't excite and try to carefully try to follow. Shall I move to the further? Right. So students in the online, carefully follow. What do you mean by slicing now? I'm going to say, here I'm writing process of obtaining range of characters or what? Values from given str object. From given str object. The process of obtaining range of characters or value, or some people call it as what? Substring. From given str obj is called what? Is called slicing operation. What do you mean by slicing operation? The process of obtaining range of characters or values or substring from given str object is called what? Slicing operation. So how to obtain, sir? I said some sample of examples. All of them I will do it. See that to perform, see students, to perform which operation? Slicing operations. To perform slicing operation, we have totally 5 syntaxes are available. 5 syntaxes are available. They are one by one. I will explain the syntaxes. Beautiful syntaxes I'll explain. Try to carefully follow. If any student is exciting in the middle of that, I will not look into that excitement. You follow me. If my entire operations or slicings are completed, then I will move to the forward one by one. Okay, now let me write the syntaxes here. Let me write the syntaxes. Here I am writing syntax number 1. Syntax number 1, I will write it. What is my syntax number 1? strobj of 1 by 1 I will explain, students. Begin colon end I am writing. This is number 1 syntax. Number 2 syntax I will write it. Syntax number 2 I will write it, because all these things one by one I will explain. Syntax number 3 I will explain. Syntax number 3 I am explaining. I say just a colon end I am saying. Next I am going to enter into the syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. I'll say just a colon I will say. Just a colon I will say. And syntax number 5. Syntax number 5. There I am explaining about begin colon end colon what? Step. This is my syntax explanation. And followed by what? Under that rule 1. Under that rule 1. Under that rule 2. Rule 2. Under that rule 3. And rule 3. Under that rule 4. Under that rule 5. These many things. Even if you see in any internet, you will not find, except in my notes. And when I'm saying this much of sentence, you can search in internet also. Search, find out. That's why my notes will shape your career. Okay, now let us start understanding about syntax number 1. Students in online, respond. When I'm asking, respond. Are you able to catch my point of definition of slicing here? Slicing. Everybody. What is the slicing? Read out, everybody. The process of obtaining range of characters or values or substring from is called slicing. What is the difference between indexing and slicing? Indexing will give you one character at a time, one value at a time. But you are going to get slicing will be given more than one value. That is called range of characters or what? Substring will come. Now I'm going to start with this part. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Coming to the point of it. Chitti Vasa. Chitti Vasa. Sir, can you please explain once again slicing? Suppose you purchased a pineapple. Pineapple you purchased. Pineapple you purchased. Pineapple is containing what? This is a pineapple. This is yellow. This is a pineapple. You purchased one entire pineapple. These are all called Chitti Vasa. I am explaining to Chitti Vasa. This is called pineapple. Pineapple is in yellow color. That's why I'm taking yellow color only. So this is called what? He cut it and put it in a cover and he gave. And yourself and your friend is going. This is called what? 0 slice, 1, 2, 3, etc. And your friend and you are eating. What you will give? 1 you will give or 2 you will give? 1 only you will give. He's feeling very hungry. What you will give? He is asking, give me 4. You will take 0 to 3 you will give or not? 0 to 3 you will give. And next is asking, you will give to what? 3 to 4 you will give. That is 2 slices you will give. Slicing means what? A part of pineapple. Don't tell this example in interview. So Chittivasa is asking. So Chittivasa got now. Pineapple example is clear for him. Now coming to the example. General example don't tell in interviews. Whenever I say general example, student will feel very happy because you will write in the exam point of view, correct? You wrote already, right? You got marks also. You got marks also. But in academics, they will give marks, but in interview, they will look at top to bottom. You need to speak only practicals. Practical grounds you need to explain. Let us start with begin to end. Go to the diagram now. See carefully and try to understand here. Now students, now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. I want to get it PYT. I want to get it here PYT. I want to get PYT. So here I will write S of 0 colon. Generally, I should write 3. This will work out as what? 0 to begin to end minus 1. It will take always. Begin to end minus 1. Begin to end it will not take. It is mathematically denoted as what? 0 comma 3. This bracket says what? Excluding. This bracket says what? Including. This is a open interval. This is called closed interval. If you know mathematics. Do you know mathematics? Do you know? Doubt. What question you will ask, we don't know. So 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means what? 0 to 3 minus 1. It is going to give you what? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means what? 0th character, first character, second character. What is the data present in 0, 1, 2? Is it PYT will come or not? Is it not called substring of Python or not? PYT is a substring of what? Python. Suppose. Now I will write it. S of what? 2 colon 5 I will write it. 2 colon 5. It is going to give you what? 2 to 5 minus 1. 2 to 5 minus 1 means what? 2 to 4. What is that now? 2, 3, 4. What is that 2, 3, 4? THO. Easy or difficult? Easy. Beginning easy. But I will make very complicated. And complicated, toughest questions I will ask. Toughest questions. That only will come in product-based companies. Easy questions, asking, getting the job, your salary is what? Per annum 2.5 lakhs. Toughest questions is always bigger companies. Their salary is what? 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs like that. So package is high means what? Definitely that guy is intelligent. Package is low means what? Definitely is a poor guy. Simple indication. Correct or not? Now, coming to the point back, simple indication. Go to what? S is equal to what? Python. Now, careful. Print of what? S. Type of S. Definitely, I'll make you as a more intelligent student in my class. Follow my guidelines. Now, I'm writing this syntax. I'm writing this is syntax. I'm writing a little important sentence. This is syntax gives range of chars. Range of chars are what? Values from where? Begin index 2. Begin index 2. End minus 1 index. Provided. Condition. Provided. Begin. Begin must be less than what? End. Otherwise, we get space or like this. As a result, very important. Very important. This syntax gives range of chars or values from begin index to end minus 1 index, provided begin less than end. Otherwise, we get what? Space or what? This quotes, single quotes. As a result, now I am giving example. Example, finished. Concept always should learn very easily, then concentrate on the programming. Come on, start with. Open the notes. Open the notes. Keep the diagram. S of. See guys, online students, keep your diagram on students. S of 0:3. First of all, when you are answering, first verify the condition. 1 minute. Don't concentrate on answer. Concentrate on condition. First 0 less than 3, true na false? True na false? True. Then answer. 0 to what? 3 minus 1. 0 to what? 2. 0, 1, 2. What are the values, ma? Come on. Right. What is the stepping here? Plus 1. Plus 1 means which direction? Easy. See the answer now. PYT. Easy or difficult? Easy. Good. Keep it on. Everything is easy. I'll explain so clearly. Crystal clear I will explain. 2:5. Answer please. Don't take my help. Don't take my help. Come on. Super. THO. Those who don't answer na, when you go to home, you will get doubt. Why? When you open the notes, you only need to explain by yourself. That time you will try to open your mouth. Your mouth says, I don't want to say. I will close it, will say. That's why I speak in the class. S of what? 5:2. No result. No result because condition is what? 5 less than 2 is called space is the result or this is the result. Now in this case, you are getting this is the result. Codes is the result. When do you get the space as result, sir? 5:2 I said. In the print I am writing space is the result. Understand, huh? Yes. Easy or difficult, huh? Easy or difficult, huh? Easy. Now, come on, concentrate. Let me copy this. Let me copy that. All the students in the online, because it is a beginning only. If I complete all the syntaxes with the subpoints and everything, you will just feel that it is only the class where you can cover everything. And you will feel that you can answer everything. And this is an answer. What is this now? Space. Space. Now, students, careful. Now I am going to continue my example. S of 0:5. Answer. 0:5. Come on. Super. Super. Now I will take it 3:5. Come on. Super. S of what you know? S of what you know? 3:6. Which error? Index error. Who said index error? Very good. Who said index error? Good. Very good student. Who said? Good student. Who is that? Some Akashwani said. Akashwani. My dear student, I said na syntax, why are you going for wrong answer? 3 to what? 6 minus 1. 3 to what? 5. 3, 4, 5. What is an answer? HON, HON, HON. Are you following me? Syntax error? No. I'll talk about that. Don't worry. You follow me. You don't think more than extra. You just involve with me and try to move forward. Are you able to follow? Now, I am writing 3:4 answer. Only H. Only what? H. Only H. Okay. Carry on. Are you able to get it now? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now you observe begin and end which syntaxes I am using. Positive values only I am using now. Positive values only I am using. All of them, if you observe, positive values only I am using. All these things are called positives. These are all called what? Positives. Now I am entering into the negative also. All the things I will use it. Carry on now. Come to the point of it. Now I'm going to say, here I'm going to say like this. Negative index I'm using. S of minus 6 colon minus 2. First of all, condition. Condition first, minus 6 less than minus 2. True na false? True. False. Your false చెప్పింది మీలో. False ma. Minus 6 less than minus 2 is true only. False ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? Right. Even students don't know true and false also. Open sig. మీకు కూడా తెలియదు. You also don't know. Anybody knows? Want to check? Huh? Want to check? You want to check? Already checked? Okay. So, come to the point of what is an answer now? Minus 6 less than minus 2 is called true. Answer is minus 6 to end minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 6 to minus 3. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. Which direction? What is an answer? PYTHO. PYTH. Got it? Easy or difficult? Easy. Easy. Next up. Minus 6 to minus 4. Come on. Super. Now I am writing here minus 4 to minus 1. Come on. TH. Oh, good. S of minus 2 colon minus 4. Index error. Space. 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 It is a space. First error saying, next answer saying that is called fickle mind, we can call fickle mind. Half an hour, one mindset, next half an hour, one mindset. Actually, mindset must be constant. Mindset is changing means difficult. It is very difficult. So, are you following me? Next, S of what? S of what? Minus 5 colon minus 1. Minus 5 colon minus 1. Come on. Why? Right. Good. S of what? Minus 4 colon minus 2. Huh? Good. Good. Are you following? Yes. Now I am writing. Now I am writing S of minus 6 colon minus 1. Huh? Right. Good. PYTHO. This is called what? This is called the first syntax example. Clear? Yes. Are you confident in this? Shall I go to little most toughest model? Another model I am introducing. This is one model. Let me introduce some sub model. Which direction? Which direction? Which step? Plus 1. Plus 1 indicates what direction? Come on. Right. So, coming to the point back. Coming to the point back. What is that? So, why it is giving space? Can you explain again? Already explained here. Again and again explaining is very difficult. Already explained or not? Already here explained. Here already explained, my dear student. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar already explained here. See, my dear student. So coming to the point of it. So somebody is asking, Palagudi Venu is asking. You need to write imposition now. 3:3. First of all, condition 3 less than 3 is called false. False means space is an answer. These simple things. These are all called waste of my time. Waste of my time. I never concentrate on that. If you ask like that, it's my classroom standards are getting disturbed. -:-4. What is that? Space. Condition I said, such a crystal clear I am explaining. So, some more student, one student is, these are all called what? Very, very danger things. No standards at all. No mathematics standards. So, coming to the point back. Actually, I thought of, I will take you lot of journey for you. What is the journey? What is the journey? One student is asking a question. What is that? Palagudi Venu is asking. Yes of what? -6:-5. Any question is asking, don't feel tension. Read my sentence. What is my condition? -6 less than -5. True na false? True. True. True means my star said -6 to -5 -1. End index -1. -6 to -6. -6 to -6 is -6th character only. What is an answer? P. Left hand, left finger. These are all left hand, left finger. Mathematics knowledge. Digits knowledge is required. Palagudi. Who is that? Is it okay? Your answers only I am taking twice. So, Venu, are you okay? Oh, got it. Venu got it now. So coming to the point back, shall I go to next model? Ready to understand toughest model? Right, you are ready to understand toughest model. So now, see how students are getting, they are becoming up and down now. If they ask like this, very danger now. See this, they are asking. What is an answer? -6:0 they are asking. -6 less than 0. Here, what is this? Negative. What is this? Positive. But we are talking about what? Positive, positive, negative, negative. Now I am going to cover. Keep that question as it is. I will come to what? Next one, submodel I am going to write it. Look at the submodel now. I am going to cover the submodel. You follow me carefully. Now the submodel is like this. Sub points, sub rule I am talking. Sub rule I am talking. What is this now? In this case, negative beginning, negative ending. Got it or not? Next here we got it what? Positive beginning and a positive ending. Now I'm going to use it. Now I'm going to use it. Mixing I am using. What is my mixing? See, strobj of positive beginning, colon what? Negative ending, negative ending. Or one more I will use it. Or I will use it one more. What is this now? Negative beginning and the next is what? Positive ending. Positive ending. This is the model I am going to cover. Carefully try to answer. Now I'm going to enter. I only will explain. Keep it. This one will keep comment. Comment means I'm not explaining. After my explanation, you can answer. So let us carefully follow. What is my example now, students? Carefully follow. Take the example. Diagram is already there. Open your diagram with you. This is called Python. 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 This is my data. This is my data available. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diagram academy. Both of you. Where is the diagram? Where is your diagram? Huh? You did not? Why you did not write? Already you are attending second time. Again not writing, again third time, fourth time. This is only the thing. Need to write that. Both of you, why? Stand up, you also. You are having book, not written. You don't have book also. Super official. Are you supervisor or what? Where you will see the diagram then? To whom book, to whose book you will see? Huh? You want to see that we don't have the book. You want to see his book. What is that? When you go to interview, whose book you will see? Try to bring the notes. Mobile you brought it up? Mobile untadi. Sit down. Just something you apply. Already 23 years old. Don't have simple carefulness about life. Open the notes. And a new notes. What you will do by opening new notes? Already there. Not written. New notes. That to 3 pages left and the written in middle. These are all lazy policies. Look at. This is called what now? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is my given data. I am writing, yeah, when you are coming to negative beginning, positive ending, positive beginning, negative ending, rule is relaxed. What is the rule is? Begin less than end rule is relaxed. Not applicable. Not applicable. Positive beginning, negative ending, negative beginning, positive ending. If you have the combination of that, rule is relaxed. Rule relaxed means what? No rule not applicable. Are you following? Now I am writing. Dear, can you close the door? Any one of you? Can you close? Some smell is coming. Close it. Door close. Window. అక్కడ window ఉంటుంది. Now come to the point. Now I am going to take up S of what? Look at S of what I am doing now. 0 colon minus 3 I am saying. 0 colon minus 3 I am saying. What is this is called beginning? What is this is called ending? You think always like that. Earlier we watched what this way we had a journey, this way we had a journey or not. That is called path searching we have seen. Now today we are going to start with what? What is your beginning? What is your beginning? 0. And there is a person standing here. 0 or not? This is a 0 standing here or not? He is a starting. One more person standing at where? -3. -3. He is standing here. Right or not? Just carefully listen. So is a journey started from this place. In the journey of it, is this person will come in the on the way or not? When I am going this way, who is standing at -3 place? One person is standing or not? I am starting my journey from where? 0. While I am going, which person is watching me? -3 person is standing at the end or not? What is the rule? -3 -1. End index -1. So that end index -1 is coming to where? -3 -1. What is that? So what is the journey started here? In the intersection, what data is taken? PYT will be taken. I'm starting from where? 0. Where is another person standing? -3. While I am going, is that person will come opposite to me or not? When I come to opposite to me, that intersection data between me and that opposite person is the result. And what is the end value? -3. -3 -1, how much? -4. What is the data taken? 0 to -4. 0 to -4 means this type of curved data will be taken as a result. Did you understand? This is called one model. Another model. S of -6 colon -6 colon 4. -6 colon 4. Positive beginning, negative ending. Negative beginning, positive ending. Always you need to have the diagram with the nodes. Now come on. Where is the beginning? -6. Here one person is standing or not? Where is the ending person? 4. What is the formula? End -1 means he is standing at where? 3. Starting the journey from where? -6 to this way. What is the way he is getting? In the intersection of this journey, what is the data coming? PYTH. Did you understand? So what is the model of searching? Either this way or this way, or this way of searching, or this way of searching. In these many ways, I can retrieve my data. Are you getting? When I'm getting this data, begin less than end, this type of rule is relaxed, not applied. Can I move forward? Will you answer my question now? Online students, did you understand? Come on now. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Print of what now? S. Sorry. Close. S is equal to Python. Print of S. This is my data. Come on, all of you. 0 colon -4. Answer my question now. Diagram important. He is looking at the diagram. If I am there now, I will not show you at all. And you are wasting your money. You paid unnecessarily without using my services. Come on, answer. Huh? PY. Are you sure? Good. Clear? Huh? Are you having the imagination of the diagram? Starting person, 0. Ending person, -4, -1. Minus 0 to 5. Curved path. Curved path output. Come on. S of 0 colon -1. 0 colon minus. Be careful. Answer. Very nice. Super. Easy or difficult? Easy. Okay. Next, -6 colon -6 colon -6 colon 5. Come on. PY. Starting from -6. Ending person. 5 -1. Which curve? Reverse. This type of curve. This type of curve. Earlier this type of curve. Earlier this type of model. All of them are what? Moving with +1 direction only. The same thing I will come this direction also. Ultimate. Come on, answer. PYTHO. One student asked, if he is there in front of me, I will throw it out compulsory. S of 0 colon 0 asking. What is an answer? Space. If he is there in front of me, definitely I will throw it. Who is that person? I just want to show you. Because you may feel difficult for you, but for me, I am feeling that my student should not ask that doubt. So somewhere else the doubt is there. Already scrolled up. Many students answered. So that answer is maybe scrolled up. I have seen it. Shiva Krishna. What is an answer now? What is an answer? 0. This is both of them are positive. Both of them are positive. Condition invoked. Begin less than end. S of what? -6 colon -6. Both of them are same. Condition invoked. Space. We should not be Ghazni. Ghazni means forgetting and asking the same thing. We should remember everything, my rules. Okay. Now come on. Be active. Yes of. Be active. 2 colon. Be active. 2 colon -1. 2 colon -1. Come on. Super. My question is -4 colon 5. Come on. THO. After looking at diagram, if you see the question, you cannot answer. After seeing the question, if you look at the diagram, you will get the answer. You need to carefully look at. Yes of, and you don't look at. I will talk to student. You will look at on the screen. First, we need to look at by ourselves. When something is going, we should not put our nose over there. Keep it. S of 0 colon minus 2. Come on. Super. S of, I will write it. Minus 3 colon, minus 3 colon, minus 3 colon 6. Answer. Yes, good. Good. Are you following? Clear? Huh? Okay. This model is easy or difficult? Easy. This model is easy. Let me introduce most powerful point. The moments points are introducing now, you'll feel, sir, how much is there? This is called depth of the subject you need to get from me. Learning normal things, no place, students. No place, no career. To have your standard career throughout your lifetime, you must be so typical candidate in subject. Typical means what? So deep subject you need to know. So this is the answer. I am not writing even in my notes because already completed that standards. So 2 of this, see these students. Now here, this is the one. Now I am entering a beautiful situation. Most special points I am saying. Ready to catch me? Yes. So I'm writing under the sub rule, most special points. Right. Look at carefully. You only will answer. I never say anything. Only diagram I will show. Only diagram. I don't say see your diagram because if you see your diagram, you will look at it in different way. I'll take my diagram here. Python. All of you don't see your diagram. See my diagram. Python. Python. I'll say Python. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay now? Yes. My dear students. Earlier one, positive beginning. Positive ending. Positive beginning, negative ending. Negative beginning, positive beginning. Earlier one, begin colon end. Either positive begin, positive end. Negative begin, negative end. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Over. Ikkada crossing. Crossing means what? Curved data, you got it. Now, be careful. Yes of, be careful. Now I'm writing 4 colon minus 6. I'm saying very danger. Don't get tension. You don't open your mouth, please. Where are you standing? What is this 4? Begin. Where is this person is standing? 4. Where is the ending? Minus 6. This is a person ending. He is going in which direction? Em students mere em radu asalu. Forward. By default, which direction? Begin to. Begin to. Where is the begin? 4. 4 to what? Is going on. But no person is opposite. What is the answer? No output will come. Where are you standing? Behind me you are standing. Where I am standing now? You are standing behind me. Will I see you? I am seeing forward. By default, forward only. The person who is standing at beginning is looking what? Forward. Forward means I don't have any other person opposite standing. Earlier one what? Opposite standing person. My distance, opposite person, curved path I am taking. But now for me, there is no intersection is happening because the other person is standing behind me. So I am not looking back because my programmer says what? By default, what direction? I will tell you how to look backward direction. How to look backward direction? I already said this model I set. What is that? This one I set, this one I set, this one I set, this one I set. Further, I will tell you what? This one I will tell you, this one I will tell you. Same thing I will tell you like that. And the same thing I will tell you like this. These are all called what? Back models. These are all called which models? Forward models. These questions only will come in any bigger companies. If I am taking normal questions, I don't ask. These questions I'll ask. What is an answer now? Where are you standing now? 4. Where is another person standing? -6. Now imagine the scale 0 to positive side, 0 to negative side. Where I am standing? 4. Behind me, who is standing? -6. When I am going -6, can I see? What is an output? No output. No output means what? Space. Come on. Take online students. Online students, did you understand? Please respond. Respond. All of you. Yes, good. So say that 4 colon what? -6. Where are you standing? Once again, diagram. Open it. Where are you standing? For what is that? 4 is called beginning person. What is an ending person? So back person is standing behind you or before you? Behind me. So I'm going forward only and no person is intersection me. Output is no space. See the answer. Are you okay? Good. Now, yes of. Yes of. Next, one more question I am forming like that. I am forming one more question. Beautiful question. 3 colon -5. Be careful. Diagram. Where are you standing? 3. Where is the back person? What is an answer? Space. Are you following me? Let me complicated question I will prepare. Very complicated question I will prepare. Yes of what? 2 colon -3. T colon -3. T. Where are you standing? 2. -3 -1. -4. 2 and -4 pointing to same letter only. I am standing there to start. Another person also waiting there only. What is the data of both of them coinciding? T. Answer is T. Got it all? Very good. -3 2 colon, just 2 colon -6. Come on. Yeah, super. This is called what? When I'm going this side, when I'm starting from this side, behind me the person is standing. That time answer is what? No result. That is called space is the result. This is which direction? Positive beginning, negative ending. Negative ending is behind of my positive direction. This is called one model of example. Go to the place. Print of this, yes. Actually, I don't want to explain like that. I don't want to go this much detail because I want to show my expertism in Python. Whoever is capable of that, you understand me. I am going very slowly. Am I going speed up? Huh? Speed up? No, I'm not going speed. Now let me ask one complicated question. Let me see my diagram. Okay, I see in my diagram. Yes of 2 colon -4. Come on. 2 and 4 pointing same now. But end is what? -4. -4 -1. -5. -5 is behind of 2. 2 is going behind of me 5. Answer is what? Yes. Got it? Huh? Online students. So tricky. So answer is like that. Now observe it. This is called what? All of you carefully observe. These are all called what? Positive beginning. What is this now? Negative ending. With what result? No result. No result. Are you following? These are positive beginnings, negative endings, outputs. Get it or not? Super. Now I'm going to enter into same result with a negative beginning, positive ending. Be careful. See, I'll draw my diagram. You don't see your diagram. Watch this diagram. Python. Python. This is my data. Observe it. S minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful. S of minus 4 colon 0. Where are you standing? Minus 4. It is my beginning journey. Where is that? Ending. 0. This is the person. Come on. He is going in which direction? In middle of it. No person is coming on my way. Because the person is standing behind of me. What is an output? Space. Did you catch this point? Yes. Online students, come on to the point back. Online students, respond immediately. Now say here, S of minus 4 colon 2. What is an answer? Space. Got it out? Next, S of minus 2 colon 2. Minus 2 colon 2. Come on. Where are you standing beginning? Minus 2. Ending is where? 2. When minus 2 is going up, backside person will not be having intersection or not. What is an output? Space. Are you okay? Now I am writing. See here. S of minus 2 colon 5. Minus 2 colon 5. Where are you standing? Minus 5. Ending 5. 5 minus 1. 4. Minus 2 and 4 pointing to same letter. What is that letter? Beautiful. Output is coming or not? As last and final. Last and final. Minus 5 colon 0. Come on. Space. Space. Clarified? Super. This is my data. This is my data. Excellent. Now, this is one model. Supermost model I am going to tell you. Super and super. Ready to listen? Today or next class? Next class or today? Today or next class? Huh? Next class. Who is that next class? Raise your hand. Next class you will bring book or what? Huh? Next class. Who said next class? Raise your hand. I am also expecting next class. Who is that? Today only. Today only. Why tomorrow? Next class. Now come to the point. Today only I will talk. Because Monday I don't want to believe you. Where you Sunday you will go to underground and knowledge will go up, evaporated. Monday again become fresh. To do today only. Okay. Look at guys. Very super. Most powerful point. S of I'll take the diagram. S is equal to Python. But time is already 7:44. No problem. S of. Students, careful. This is my diagram. Very nice point. Python. Python. Now I'm saying that here P 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying that S of 0 colon 125. 125. Generally, student will give you what? Index error they will give. Index error come right or not? But it is not an index error. Starting from where? Both of them are positive. Both of them positive means condition will come. Condition will come. 0 less than what? 125. True. It starts from 0. It starts from 0. It goes on taking up to 124. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, no memory. No memory. It stops there only. That means even though I represent 125, it won't go to 124. It will go to end of the memory only. It will stop at where? 5. But then answer will come. Python will come. Did you understand this model? Got it or not? One more model. Look at ma. See how many models are there. This is called -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. I am writing here S of what, -123. Why to go to that? -10 colon what? -1 I am telling. Actually, -10 is not there. Don't say that index error. -6 backside, what is there? -7. -7 backside, what is there? -9. What is this now? -10. It is trying to locate what? -10. Beginning, no? Beginning. Do you have -10? No. Do you have -9? Do you have -7? Do you have -8? Do you have -7? Madhu Babulo. Do you have -10? -8? -9? -7? -6? Yes, from there the data starts taking. To where? -1, -1. What is that? Answer is what? Python or Python. -1, -1. What is the answer? Python. Are you following me? Did you understand this positive out of order and negative out of order? Positive out of order, negative out of order. Most important predicting models. S of 0 colon 125. See the answer. S of -10 colon -1. Answer is what? Python. Python, no. Yes. Are you following? Now tell me, answer my question. Very complicated example. 2 to 1000. Come on. Who is that error? Error means go to home. Error means compulsory go to home. Nowhere else here. So this is gone. What is an answer? 2 to 1000. Do you have 1000? 2 to last. What is that? 5 only. No? What is an answer now? AHON. Clear up? Can I ask one question? Will you answer it? S of -1000 to -5. Letter P. Letter P. That's all. Easy. Next. S of -1000 to -6. ఎవరైనా Python good? Who is that? Who is that? ఇంకొక చాక్లెట్ ఇస్తే ఇప్పుడు నీకు. -1000 to -6 -1 -7. -1000 to -7. No data available. What is an answer? Beautiful. You ask any person, they don't know this. Now very complicated question. Ready to answer? What is this now? This is called what? Positive, 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 negative, 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 negative. Now I'm going to mixing this. Out of order, mixing. S of -1000 colon 1000. Python. Where are you standing? -1000. Where is another person? 1000. In the intersection, curved path is there. What is an answer? Super. This is an answer. Are you following? Now, S of what? -1000 of what? Of what? Something like 5. What is an answer? Answer. Python. Huh? Good. So, answer is correct. Correct. One more complicated question. S of what? S of what? I say -6 colon 1000. Simple. Where are you standing? -6. Ending. So much place, but it takes what? -6 to 5 only. So output is Python. Easy or difficult? Easy. So this is what level? First syntax only. See, First syntax. You can imagine syntax 2, syntax 3, syntax 4, syntax 5 with 5 rules. Just close your eyes and imagine. Will anybody can answer it? Any student, just to challenge them, they cannot answer. That is what make the class something. This is special. So, right. So this is what this class. Carry this and compare this. Any internet you observe it and try to talk to friends who are working in industry. Ask them, let them ask the question on strings. There's a syntax 1 only, I said. Syntax 2, you imagine. Syntax 2, you imagine. 3, 4, 5. This is only forward direction. When I come to backward direction, you imagine it. So that many things I'm going to discuss. Okay, students, this is about syntax number 1. Under that, sub rules and the most special points and everything covered. Online students, is it understandable today class? Is it today's class is understandable? Yes. Good. So this I will explain on Monday. Monday. So 6:10 sharp. 6:10 sharp. Monday, if anybody comes without notebook, empty notebook, leaving 5 pages, writing middle wherever I like it, this type of lazy writing without bringing notes, I'll make you to sit on the dais. Who will sit on the dais? Special people only will sit on the dais. Be careful. So, coming to the point back, is asking, Vijay Kumar is asking a peculiar doubt. Both forward and backward direction at a time possible or not? It is nothing but what bus is having front driver is there, backside driver is there. Both of them giving accelerator, jump. They are collected by garbage collector. This type of doubts will give irritation for me. So, both forward or backward at a time we want. This is what is called a peculiar and wrong doubts. Right. Done. Students, time is up today. It is 9:53. Time is up. And Monday I will clarify your doubts. Monday I will clarify your doubts. Vijay Kumar, my dear student, please don't get such type of doubts. Car can move either forward direction or reverse direction. Both of them forward and backward. What will happen? Jump out. Or 2 pieces it will become. So go to the place. I'll stop my class. Monday class, we'll go for it. All the students in online, don't miss on Monday. Important. Thank you. All the best.